Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's dive in. When you plug in your EV, it's having a conversation. But is it private?
It's sharing your identity and payment info. So, the real question is, can someone listen in?
And the answer is yes. Vulnerabilities in the charging protocol, that secret handshake, let them eavesdrop.
In fact, friendly hackers have shown just how simple it is to crack the secret code.
They use a simple three-step process. First, they listen, then decode, and finally, they impersonate.
So, let's get to the important part. What can a hacker actually do with this access?
Well, they can steal your data, track you, or even just stop your car from charging at all. But your data isn't the only thing at risk. The physical dangers are much, much worse.
We're talking permanent, costly damage to your EV's battery. And yep, that's a huge fire risk.
So how do we protect the entire EV ecosystem from these kinds of attacks? The solution lies in building security in from the start, not adding it on as an afterthought.
This ensures your vehicle's handshake with the charger stays secret. But you have to wonder, right?
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.